Hello everybody, welcome back to KolorPop Designz, and I am back with another video. Today we're doing something different. I love home decor, but a lot of people don't know I love party decor. So we're doing a hot air balloon, and this here is my backdrop. Now this stand is a stand that I made using PVC pipe, but you are more than welcome to use whatever it is that you have. I am going to be using a big jumbo balloon and some fishing line to hold my balloon in place while I go ahead and do my hot air balloon. So here it is. I have already blew up the red balloon and I already hung it on the fishing line. And this is just to make sure that I have a steady workplace so that when I'm, blowing up the other balloons, I have something for it to hold on to. Now this is time lapse, and what I'm doing, I am blowing up 5 and 9-inch balloons. And what makes the hot air balloon more unique is when you have two different sizes. And I will recommend that you do the smaller balloons, don't do the 12-inch balloons. But I am basically just blowing up a whole bunch of smaller balloons, because what I'm going to be doing, I'm going to take a low temp hot glue gun and I am going to be gluing those balloons onto the big balloon.
You guys to see the balloons that I blew up, and I may have to blow some more up, but I want to just get an idea how many I need to blow up. So yeah, let's see if we can get this thing popping.
So guys, one of the key things, make sure your hot glue gun is a low temp glue gun. I cannot stress that enough. Now what you see here are two balloons tied together, duplex, that's the term that they like to use. And basically I have hot glued those to the jumbo balloon, and it's just easier to work your way from the bottom to the top, and you want to like hold it to make sure that it sticks. So that's pretty much what I'm doing. This is something really fun. It's a nice neat backdrop for like a baby shower or a 1-year-old's birthday, 2-year-old's birthday. You don't have to do these colors. I thought these colors were pretty for like maybe like a Sesame Street theme, but you can do like pastel colors. But yeah, easy peasy. Now I am raising up the balloon so you guys can see that the bottom is open, but later on I am going to go in and fill in that area, because once I put this on once I create the whole hot air balloon look, you want to make sure that the sticks basically fit right on in perfectly. Alright guys, so just to give you a different angle, what I have done, I have my whole bottom row filled in now. Now what I'm doing is taking two balloons and I'm putting them in the middle of one of the balloons. So basically kind of like, you'll see in the video, it's hard to explain, but basically I'm overlapping. Yes, that's the word I'm looking for. So that way there you won't see as much red, because once I get the whole entire balloon filled in, I'm going to take the real small 5-inch balloons and I'm going to be placing those in all of the areas where you can see the red. So I'll go ahead and let the video play itself out. So it's coming along really good, you guys. So look, see those red areas I was talking about? Those are where I'm going to be putting those 5-inch balloons. I'm going to just basically fill this whole thing in, and it'll give a little bit balance with the bigger balloons and the smaller balloons. So let's get it. Okay guys, so here is the finished. Well, it's not finished, but the balloon part is finished. I put all the 9-inch balloons in the areas. You don't see any red peeking through. Well, you might see a little bit, but no, I don't see nothing. Y'all see it? It is so pretty. So now we're going to go ahead and work on the box and try to get it together. Stay tuned for the next clip. Okay, you guys, so I got this box from Walmart. It's just a medium box. Now, usually I see the 16 by 16 by 16, but they were sold out, so I ended up getting the 16 by 16 by 17, which is still fine. So what you want to do for the sake of the video, we're just going to fold the box at the bottom, nothing pretty. If you got you some tape and you want to tape it real nice and cute, go ahead, but ain't nobody going to see it. So basically, you're going to go ahead, keep it straight up. Now what I did do is use some Gorilla Tape and tape the sides, the insides down to make it real nice and flush, because what I'm going to do, I'm going to put a I got this pretty metallic tablecloth that I'm going to be covering the box up with, and y'all see that in a minute. Okay, you guys, so this is a rectangle tablecloth, and since this is a more of a square box, I had to kind of manipulate the placement so I can make sure that I can fit the tablecloth on all 4 sides, and all I'm doing is just tucking it in. I mean, it's really not that hard. Tucking it in, get you some tape, tape it in the inside, nobody's going to see it. And another thing you can do is you can use like those cute faux rugs that you find at IKEA, and kind of like drape that in the inside, like coming out. That'd be cute too. So yeah, just stick that thing on in there, girl. It's not going nowhere. I think I might have put some tape in the inside, but when I do put the poles in there, I did have to tape the poles in each corner of the box, and you will see that in a later clip. Now, these 4 poles is a quick hack from the Dollar Tree. Y'all know those brooms they be having in there? So 2 of them are white, 2 of them are spray painted silver because I had used them for an event. Disregard that. But basically what I'm going to do, I'm going to tape each pole into each corner of this box. And this is going to basically make sure that the box is sturdy and it's going to hold the balloon on top. So again, disregard that 2 are white, 2 are silver. I was lazy, didn't feel like spraying both of them for the sake of the video, so. Okay, y'all, we made it. Got you a hot air balloon. You can use it for a baby shower, a birthday party, a backdrop for a photo booth, pictures, you name it. Hey, your girl got you covered. So did I make it? Did I make it happen? Did I show y'all all the extra details? Because y'all know sometimes these videos don't be showing y'all everything. They show you clips and clips and then they leave everything out. So I hope you guys loved it. And make sure you guys hit that subscribe button. And if you don't, follow me on Instagram at KolorPop Designz. I post a lot of home decor and party stuff on there as well. And again, stay tuned for the next video. Love you guys. Mwah. Bye.